This is why I need a better setup, because when I'm not doing a million other things at the same time, just get a better sound out of the drum. Actually crazy because I can feel it at all the vibrations in my hand when I'm holding it. Actually crazy. And I can like beat obviously different sections of it. Whereas if I'm manning 3 instruments at the same time, it's not that possible. Unless, I don't know, I just need, that's so amazing, that sound. I just need something to hold it vertically in front of me. I just need like an invisible hand to like come down and hold it. Or bandmates, that's what I need. That's all. Hope you enjoyed the healing sounds of the drum like I did. See you next time.